What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Another day here with Blake. What's going on, everyone? So I guess I'll just let Blake explain. We got another mod for his truck today.
On the truck we're gonna put in a TRD cold air intake.
Alright, so let's show you guys what he got. What you guys saw was the new intake. This is the old intake that he has. This is stock from Toyota right out of the factory. I guess when Blake bought this, he thought this is gonna be complete, like the whole box, but this is just a lid. Right now we're gonna get to the install, guys. Explain step by step what we do. Hope you guys enjoy. Take off the battery, the negative terminal. So what are you doing?
Alright, so you just want to unclip this little clippy. You just need a flat little screwdriver to pop it out of there. Once you have that popped out, now you can just go ahead and pop out your map sensor itself. Just push in on the little clip and pull it up.
Next step, you want to unscrew the clamp. So this is the stock filter, right?
Yeah, this is just the stock filter.
Yeah. So this is the new filter, as you guys can see. This is much more nicer than what that looks like. So you guys, now when you take off the last part that's connected to the throttle body, you're gonna have to disconnect. There's a hose right there, as you guys can see right there where my finger is pointing.
And then you're gonna want to just keep onto these little clamps. That way you're just gonna reuse it.
All right, so next you guys got to take out that box in order to add the bigger cups for the breathing. New intake system comes with a new one of these. So look at that.
So this is the new TRD one.
See, that looks nice quality.
Yeah, it's nice.
And this is you. This is Blake. So you took it off the stock box, and now you're gonna have to just.
Alright, so this stuff is all just rubber. You can bend it and form it, and it'll go back to its normal spot. I'm gonna have to stuff it in this hole that's down here.
You have to push it.
Check and see if that is any bigger than the stock one.
If you guys see, this is the new one. It's the old one. That looks a little bigger, but. To make it easier, you probably want to put your clamps the same way so it's easier to install. Now what you're going to do is you're going to want to put this piece on. This is the piece that goes to the throttle body right here. But the reason we put it this way too, you're going to want to have this nipple that's over here face this way so you can connect to the PCV. Alright, next Blake is going to put the air filter in. Alright, so as the filter's in, next you're going to want to put the TRD new cover on. Dude, this just added 50 horsepower.
100 horsepower out
yeah,
of it now?
dude, now you can tell people you're supercharged. Like, dude, is that a supercharger?
It's a Tome.
So now you're gonna want to grab the supplied hose that came with it. Mine is sick.
Dude, it's the sickest.
Alright, so Blake is gonna go ahead and connect his rubber dildo, his rubber hose. See, this is what he was talking about with the clamps. He's going ahead and reuse them. Toyota was too cheap to supply new clamps. So you go ahead and connect it to that nipple right there. Push it in. Next, you're gonna want to connect it to the PCV. Oh, we didn't explain to them in the first video.
I thought we did one for
This
that.
second line, as you guys can see, is connected to his fuel regulator. This is what the fuel is fed into, and then this from underside of it feeds his rails and his injectors. This hose you're gonna have to connect to the air intake. Share it in your comments what you guys think that is. Well, I know that's the
Wrong
fuel
answer
regulator.
only.
Yeah, wrong answer only. Alright guys, so one thing we forgot, the map sensor you're gonna need to take off. Super important, you're gonna want to position the map sensor the same way that it came.
It'll go on like that.
What we're gonna do is just connect this now. Last, you just gotta. Alright, now go rip it, man. Oh! Woo! You can hear it more. Thank you. that concludes the video. Pretty much what you want to do now is just turn on the truck and just go drive it around. That way the map sensor can recalculate. Please hit that subscribe button down below. That helps a lot. Give it a thumbs up if you like this video. Give us a comment. Is there anything you guys want to comment? As well, guys, follow us on social media. It always helps. You guys will be up to date on when the new videos are up. But thanks again, guys.